Okay, if I want to factorise this by taking out common factors, I'm looking at each part of this separately. Look at this part first, look at this part. I've got two separate things. So what I'm doing, the word factorise means to take out the highest possible thing that goes into both of them. So if I start off by looking at the numbers, I've got 16 and 24. If I think of the factors of 16 and 24, hopefully we can see that 8 is the highest thing that goes into both of these. So I'm going to factorise 8 out of there. If I then look at the x term, I've got an x squared and an x cubed. Now the highest thing I can take out here is an x squared, because I've got x squared here and I've got x cubed here, which is higher, so I can't take this out because this doesn't go up that high. So I'm going to take out an x squared, and then my y term, I've got a y cubed and a y squared. The highest thing I can take out that's common to both is y squared. That's as high as they both go. Okay, now I've done that, I need to think about what's remaining once I've taken those out. So this first term, 16x squared y cubed, I'm going to put here, but I've got to think, right, what do I times 8 by to make 16? Well, that's a 2. Okay, what do I times x squared by down here to make x squared originally? Well, that's fine, that's as it is. And I need to think, right, y squared, I'm going to multiply it by something to make y cubed. I need one more y, so 2y. If you think about this now, 2y times 8x squared y squared, 2 8's are 16, the x squared is there already, y times y squared will give me y cubed. That one's done. Okay, the next one, the 24x cubed y squared, x cubed, well, sorry, before we even look at that, let's look at the 24. 8's been taken out. What do I times 8 by to make 24? Well, that's 3. Okay, I now need to look, right, x cubed, how am I going to make that from x squared? I need another x. And y, how am I going to turn y squared into y squared? Well, it's already there, I've already got it, so I can leave that. So if you're thinking about where these things are coming from, that is that one, that is that one. These two times together give me this 16x squared y cubed, and these two times together give me the 24x cubed y squared. Hope this helps.